In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use consistent AI characters with NovoAds AI. This is the best platform to create AI videos and AI images. So to use this platform, first we need to go to NovoAds AI, and once you arrive here, you have to create an account. After that, you will arrive here, and here we have two options. First, creating an image of our character or using one of the platform. So let's use the one that the platform created first, and then I show you how you can use one that you created. So we have to click here where it says Add Actor, and now in Official Actors. Here you have more than 100 actors that you can use, so let's use this one. And now let's click in Save Changes. Now we have to click here to see the settings of the voice of this actor, and now we have to write some text. This is what the actor or character will say. So let's paste. So I created this text that is very simple. And now let's listen what the actor or character will say. So now we have to wait like 10 seconds.
Hola, bienvenido a NovoAds.
Sorry, I put it in Spanish. Now let's listen.
Hello, welcome to NovoAds. You're using the best platform for creating AI videos.
Well, I didn't like it, the voice, so we can click here and change the voice. So let's choose male, age, young, languages, English, and in accent, let's put an American accent. Now here we have to choose a voice that we like. So I'm going to search.
Bro, this is the most rigged thing I've seen in my life.
Hello everyone, this love is the mirror that reflects.
Another exciting week for AI. There's a lot of innovative developments we're going to cover in this video.
Hi, here's an authentic.
What's up guys? Welcome back to
You were not made to blend in. You are made to light the path for others still finding their way.
Well, I like this one, so let's click here where it says Speak Voice. Now I like to increase a little bit the similarity. And now let's click here to regenerate the audio. This is totally free, so do it. And now let's listen again.
Hello, welcome to NovoAds. You're using the best platform for creating.
Well, I like it, so let's click here and now click in Generate. And now we have to wait like 2 to 3 minutes, but let's create another video, but with an image that we created. So now we have to click here, and here we need to click in My Actors. Now we have to click in Create Actor. Well, as you can see, you can use a real image or an AI image. So let's click here, now click here, now again here to upload an image of an actor. And here I'm going to use this image. So let's click here and now in Select Your Actor. Now we have to click here. And again, here we have to choose female, age young, languages English, and in accent, I'm going to choose American. So now we have to search.
Check out the new promotion from Glow Girl.
Well,
Feel
I like
the
the
powerful
first, so
queen
I'm going
you
to
really
pick this
are.
voice. And now let's click in Create Actor. Now, if we go here, we can see the actress. And now we have to click in Save Changes. Well, as you can see, the video has been created, but let's finish this video and then we listen this. So now we have to, again, write a text. Now we have to click here, listen the audio. And now let's listen.
Hello, welcome to NovoAds. You're using the best platform for creating AI videos.
Well, I like it. So now let's click here and in Generate. And now let's listen or see this video.
Hello, welcome to NovoAds. You're using the best platform for creating AI videos.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the video. The actor says perfectly what I wrote. So now let's wait for this another video. Perfect, here we have the video, so now let's see it.
Hello, welcome to NovoAds. You're using the best platform for creating AI videos.
So well, now you know how to use consistent characters with AI. So to finish the video, I want to remember you that you can try NovoAds AI for just $1. This is literally less than a coffee. So I recommend you to try it. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and see you in the next video.